Good morning, students. Today, in application of derivative, I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that is tangent and normal to the curve. In that, slope of a line is in trigonometrical tangent of an angle that a line makes with the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction, that is known as slope. That is, if this is x-axis and y-axis and there is a line and there is an angle theta, so the slope is denoted by tan theta, right? And that slope is denoted by m also. If there is a curve, continuous curve, and there is a peak point P and the line passing through that point P having coordinate x1 and y1, then that line is known as slope of the tangent, and this is also denoted by m, and its slope is denoted by dy by dx at that particular point P. There is another way to find out the slope of the tangent. If we are having 2 points on the line x1 y1 and x2 y2, then slope is again denoted by m. Then the slope of tangent having formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And if equation of line in the linear form ax plus by plus c is given to us, then the formula to find out the slope of the tangent is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. That is, according to that, it is minus a upon b. So we are having four ways to find out the slope of the tangent. First is tan theta if angle is given to us. Second is dy by dx, mean derivative. And third, if 2 points are given, x1 y1, then slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And third is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y if equation in the linear form is given to us. Now let's discuss also slope of normal. There's another topic, slope of tangent and slope of normal. Now what is slope of normal here? Slope of normal is, if this is the slope of tangent, a line which is perpendicular to the tangential line, that is known as normal line, and the relation between slope of tangent and the slope of normal is both are at the right angle. So if the slope of tangent is denoted by slope of normal is denoted by mn, then slope of normal is denoted by slope of tangent is denoted by mt, then slope of normal will be denoted by slope of mn. So mn is equal to minus 1 over mt. So if we have to find out slope of normal, then first of all I have to find out the slope of tangent, and then slope of normal will be minus 1 over slope of tangent. So that is the only formula to find out the slope of tangent. Similarly, if we are to find out the equation of tangent and the equation of normal, so equation of tangent with slope m, t and point x1 and y1, that equation will be y minus y1 is equal to m t into x minus x1. That is the equation of tangent. And what about equation of normal? Equation of normal will be the same. Sort of difference is here I will use slope of normal. Remaining x minus x1 will be same. So x1 y1 will be the given point, and mn is the slope of normal, mt is the slope of tangent. And x और y ये तो इक्वेशन का पार्ट है, इक्वेशन होती ही x और y की फॉर्म में है. तो that is all about slope of tangent and normal and equation of tangent and normal. I think this is clear to everybody. Let's discuss a question related to slope of tangent and normal. It is find the slope of the tangent and normal to the curve, and curve having equation x square plus 3y plus y square is equal to 5 at point x and y